Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. I got a couple little scrapbooking goodies in the mail today, so I thought we could open them up together. First of all, I got my Elle Studio April 2024 kit. I get this each month. It's a nice, cheap little kit that comes in the mail with all of the things. They've got die cuts and also pocket cards. Now, I will tell you guys, I don't use all of the pocket cards. I use a good amount of them, or I fussy cut them, or I use them as things like I'm going to cover up that field notes because I don't use field notes in my scrapbook albums. Why would I put field notes in my scrapbook albums? But a lot of these are things I will either put in pocket pages or I will just use on regular scrapbook layouts. So this is a monthly subscription, and I like it. So it's good quality, nice thickness. It is single-sided, but it is the good stuff. So I wanted to show you that. Plus, I got a Brutus Monroe order in, so that is really exciting. Picked up a couple things. I picked up this die. This is a tonic craft die. I thought it was pretty awesome. I don't even know what it's called, but I liked it. I thought it was neat looking, so I grabbed it. And this stuff I got in the clearance section. I got these little birdie handmade flowers because they remind me of my they're the same exact flowers that Hobby Lobby sells. So I got those. I got a couple enamel dots. I got these pink pearl ones, which I think were just beautiful, and these black ones as well. I got the airplane sticker with some clouds. The clouds don't exactly look like clouds, but we'll go with it. I also got a pin for my pin board. This is the astronaut pin. I think he is super adorable, so I picked him up. And then I picked up the coordinating dies for a couple of stamp sets that I had. These were like ridiculously cheap, like 90 cents each. So I grabbed those as well. And then I picked up some basically like stock items that I like to keep on hand that I really enjoy. I got two Fallen Snow glitter glazes. These are my absolute favorite glitter glaze in the world, so I picked up those. And I also picked up a velveteen glaze in Night Sky, which will dry very dark, almost a black, really, really dark gray, almost a black. I was out of that, so I picked up one of those. And then I also grabbed these guys. Oh, I love popping these bubble poppers. They're so much fun. Okay, we're gonna cut that open now. All right. So a couple things. They really package these bad boys up nicely, so if there's any leakage for whatever reason, it's not going to affect you in some kind of way. So I did finally pick up another Ornament Gold spray, because mine is going to the end. And then I picked up the Spring Chroma Mist Bundle Spray, which I was pretty excited about. I really like these colors. So this one is called Apricot. This one is called Peacock. And this one is called Lime. So I really liked these colors, so I went ahead and got them. Now this Ornament Gold is not as gold as this Ornament Gold. Look at that, you guys. That is a big difference. Might have to let this settle and combine this because this is highly pigmented. To be fair, though, this is two different ornament golds. I combined them together, so. But yeah, this one is not as pigmented. I don't know what that's about, so. Yeah, look at that difference. Wow. I'm going to end up combining these, I think, because I need this darker gold color than this one. Okay, and then I also got this, which was the latest release in these glazes. This is the Velveteen Glaze. These are the glazes that will dry matte, and if you put it on thick enough, it's like a hard, flock. So I got these guys. They also have a new color bundle in the Chroma glazes, which dries as a shiny bit. So this is lima bean, grape jam, teal taffy, banana split, cherry tomato, and pumpkin patch. So really awesome colors here. Super pretty. So I got all of these goodies in the mail. Some of these are going to be used really quick. I really love these pink pearls. I think they're gorgeous. So that is the thing. We're going to pull this little guy out because he needs to go on my pin board. So yeah. So anyway, guys, that is what I got recently, including this guy from Elle Studio. So yeah, I like to share what I get. Let me know what you guys think. If there's anything you are really excited about, I'm especially excited about these sprays. I think they're awesome. I just am a little worried about the gold because look at that difference. Okay, guys. That is going to do it for tonight. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.